In this video, I will show you how to fix 100% CPU usage on Windows 10. So to be able to do that, what you'll need to do first is to go ahead and open your device. So you can do this both on the laptop and the PC version. Now on your device, what you'll need to do is to make use of the search feature under the start menu. This will allow you to make your tasks easier and look for different settings on your device easier. So in here, what you'll need to search for is Windows Memory Diagnostics. So you'll need to actually look for this, since what you'll need to do is to check the CPU usage. Now this will pop up on your screen, so what you'll need to do is to restart now and check for problems to be able to save your work and close any open programs before restarting. So after you click on that, and once your PC or laptop has restarted, go ahead and click on the start menu at the bottom left of your screen. So in here, make use of the search feature and look for the event viewer app. Click on that and this will pop up on your screen. So in here, you'll be able to find this folder. Head over into the Windows log section. So in here, you'll be able to find the file where the diagnostics has been saved. So go ahead and open that file and you'll be able to find the reason behind the 100% CPU usage on your Windows 10 or 11. This would make it easier for you to find the apps to eliminate on the background to be able to avoid this issue all over again. And that is how you can basically do that. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos.